Now this is our little girl. She is a Carolean bobtail. She will be 3 weeks old tomorrow. And she's got problem with her back legs, which we thought is probably a swimmer's leg. However, after she spent the last pretty much 2 weeks with her legs taped together, well, as it says, as it should be done, she's still struggling to stand also. As you can see, the way she's putting her left leg. So she's still struggling to stand up, which I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing. Walk that way to your brother. So I'm not sure whether she has got actually problem with her hips. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to support her back. While she walks, and try to put her legs as they should go. It is not easy. She's still struggling, as you can see. She's still not standing. Go on, girl. You can do this. Yeah, one leg. Go on. So she doesn't really walk much on her own. She just rather lying down in the nest. Her little brother is almost running around, and she just leaves her leg behind. So if anyone has got any idea or some experience on this, then please share.